Uh-huh. Yeah, I know you got some problems, but we all does. And you know what the answer is, it's all love. So when you going through it, call upon his name. He'll be there in a hurry, it's like a hurricane, a whirlwind. You win cause you on his team, no MIA cause his hands never lose a thing. So don't worry about it, draw near to the king and sit back and let yourself dream. Yo, you're full of questions, doubts, and worries, but take away all that other stuff. Then what you gotta pray. When you in them troubles, tribulations, trials coming quick, I'm in the boat with you, I ain't never leave you, jit. I'm in it, we winning, we doing what we oughta. We in the water, but we fishing and we with the Father. So why you worry about it? Cause it'll never hurt you. Why you worry about it? Just do what you gotta do.